Hi students, in English, today we are going to learn about the topic short vowel sounds. In this, we are going to learn some words using short sound of vowel letter E. Okay? Short sound of vowel letter E is A. 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 Okay? Let's move to learn some words. Pet. Pet. Den. Den. Hen. Hen. Wet. Wet. Pen. Pen. Step. Step. Ten. Ten. Nest. Nest. Red. Red. Bed. Bed. Tent. Tent. Okay students, these are the few words we discussed using the short sound of vowel letter E. Okay? I hope you all understand. See you in the next session. Thank you.